What up, y'all? Tim Z here, back at it again, like you can always expect. And today, an unboxing of a wallet. Let's get right into it. So, as you can see, it says Axwell. So this is the Axwell wallet. All right, let's look right into the box. Aluminum orange. All right there. It says what it comes with. Your last wallet ever. All right, let's see. There's all the features, and it's backed by a lifetime warranty, they say. All right. I know some of y'all are gonna say, why didn't you use a knife to cut that? But I didn't. All right, so we got the orange wallet here. Look at this. All right, the packaging looks nice. Got an Axwell wallet card. Let's take a look. This is the instructions on how to operate the wallet. All right. Here's an Axwell sticker, and we got a money clip that you can change out. If you don't want to use this money strap, you can use the clip. All right, let me put this away and take a look at the wallet. Okay, guys, so one of the main features of this wallet is that you can change the color of your wallet very easily. Very similar to how you could change knife scales very easily on the TRM Atom. They're both orange, that's why I had to show it. But there you go. That's all you need to do. You pop the plate right off. You got 6 magnets here. They're very strong, and they hold on. All right, so, and this side is also interchangeable. There you go. All right, guys, and as you can see, the inside is smooth aluminum. All right, feels nice. Tension is strong, and yeah, that's really all there is to it. Okay, and obviously they have different colors, so we're gonna bring this in. And I've already opened this one because I'm using one right now, but this is the copper plate. All right, they're copper plates. All right, they're copper plates on both sides. And the copper usually comes with a black wallet, but I'm using that one right now. So it's got a black border because, you know, it's a black wallet. But I thought it would look better with the orange, would look good with a black border. So that's why I swapped it out. But it's very simple here. Magnets. This one is much more substantial feeling. All right, let's see what we got here. Yeah. So that's all there is to it with swapping plates. Swapping plates, no big deal. Right? Yeah, guys, so that's just an unboxing, you know. Wanted to keep it quick for you guys. I'm going to do another follow-up video with what I think about this wallet compared to the Ridge wallet. As you can see, I have a lot of miles on this Ridge. The Ridge has a lot of miles. Look at this. So this is the gunmetal finish, and it's really worn through. It's turning into stonewash right there in the center. And yeah, That's really what it's turning into. And of course, on my ridge, I have a coin tray. All right. So you can see the thickness difference right there, really. All right. Of course, this one doesn't have interchangeable plates, so it's able to be thinner. All right. But I do have a coin tray right now on my Axwell wallet that I'm running. So I'm going to be able to give my opinion about the wallet for sure. All right, guys, that's really all there is to it. You know, put some orange stuff next to it. All right, guys, if you like what you saw, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like what you saw, give me a thumbs down. Either way, it adds up. Follow me on Instagram, TimZUSA. Subscribe to this channel if you want to see more. And until next time, Tim Z out.